In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos on your Google business profile. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the Google Business Profile website. Ensure you are logged in with your Google account. This is your gateway to managing your business information on Google, making it crucial for ensuring your business details are up to date. Once you're in, the next step is to locate your business profile. Google has made this relatively straightforward. Look around the dashboard and you should easily find your way to your business profile section. This is where all the magic happens, where you can really start to personalize how your business appears to potential customers on Google. After locating your profile, click on it. Your business profile stacks a lot of information, but today we're focusing on bringing your business to life through pictures. Hence, our next stop is the Photos section. Click on the Photos option to proceed. Upon accessing the Photos section, you'll be presented with your current lineup of images. These images are the first impression many customers will have of your business, so you'll want to ensure they're just right. Browse through your photos and click on the one you wish to edit. Editing photos directly on Google Business Profile might seem limited, but one of the key features available is resizing your photo. Clicking on your chosen photo will lead you to the option to resize it. Resizing can be crucial to ensure your photos look good on Google, whether it's about fitting a specific format or emphasizing a certain part of your image. After you've adjusted your photo exactly how you like it, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, click on it, and your photo will be updated on your profile for all to see. However, a word of caution, sometimes your photo may not be editable right away. This is typically because Google is in the process of reviewing the photo, a standard procedure to ensure images meet Google's guidelines. If this happens, you'll need to be patient. Once Google has reviewed your photo, you'll be able to make edits as needed. That wraps up our tutorial on how to edit photos on your Google business profile. Remember, the photos you choose to display play a critical role in how customers perceive your business on Google. With these steps, you should be able to ensure your business looks its best online. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help manage your business online effectively. Thank you for watching.